Alright boys, and anyone else thinking about doing summer camp in America this year, most people say that they're going to go to camp, but almost no one go through with it. So if you are thinking about it, this video might generally help you. Most of the channel, if you are new here, I am documenting my journey going to America and doing summer camp through camp leaders and everything that comes with it. If that sounds interesting to you, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, share, all the good stuff. It will really help me out. So anyway, let's get to it. Number one, I needed to do something big this year. The biggest reason why I signed up for camp is simple. I just want to push myself. That's the honest truth. I just thought, you know what, this is the year. Let's do something big. I've known about summer camp all my life really. My cousin's done it, my friends have done it. I've always known about it, but just in general, I never got around to it. It was always, yeah, I'll do it next year. That was how I looked at camp, unfortunately. But something always got in the way. For some reason, it was either college, work, money, COVID, or just in general not signing up because I had holidays planned, other stuff planned. I didn't actually sit down and say, let's do this. So if you are on the fence, definitely just sit down and think, would you enjoy it? And if any percent of you thinks yes, go ahead and just sign up. Honestly, I haven't even been and I absolutely love it already. Just signing up, making the videos, talking to people. Like I'm talking to people from Australia, Ireland, England, America. I've talked to people just from signing up. It's been amazing. Sometimes you've just got to commit, jump headfirst into something and sign up. Honestly, if you are thinking about it, do it. Number two, dad law. The dad law. Oh my God, dad law. If you know, you know. I just want those stories in life where I can tell my kids in the future. I haven't got kids. I just want to be able to tell them, this is what I've done, this is what I've done, I've done this, I've done that, because it makes you more exciting. No one wants a boring dad. No one wants a boring life. Do as much as you can for dad law. I'm saying this to the lads now. Don't know what it's like for girls, but for the lads, you know what dad law is. You want your kids to look up to you and be like, he's cool, he's the man. So, dad law. I just don't want my kids to ask me in the future and say, what did you do in your 20s? And I just say, I went to work and the gym. I love the gym and I really like the job, but I don't just want to say them things. I want to say I went travelling, I met new people, I done new things, I pushed myself, I started a YouTube channel. I want to say all them stuff just because dad law, if you know, you know. That's all I've got to say. Number three, I wanted to have this is what I done this year type of moment. I wanted to have that one thing where if someone said, what did you do 2026? I'll be able to say, it was this, and I done this, and I could tell them it every point from beginning to end of the whole process because it's that important to me. I just really want to have something where it feels like I've pushed myself, it feels like I've conquered something, it feels like I've done something exciting instead of, like I said before, work, going to the gym, doing everyday stuff. Spending 3 months in America is quite big, so that's what I'm trying to aim for. And that's because every year seems the same when you don't do stuff like this. Like I mentioned numerous times, this is probably my only year at camp because I've got other priorities with the band. Check us out. Moving on official. So I can't really do camp all the time because during the summer it's festival season and I'm already going to miss a festival unfortunately with the band, but is what it is. The lads will love it. I'll be supporting them whilst I'm in America. And on top of all that, don't get me wrong, I've been very lucky. I've gone on holidays with my family, I've travelled a bit with my mates. Not much, I didn't go abroad until I was 21 and I'm going to be turning 25 when I come back from America. So I haven't travelled much, and this is why I think camp is such a big option for me to travel and experience new stuff because I've never been that side of the world before. So it's going to be really fun and it is going to be the big thing this year. It already is, all my family know about it. I'm excited, I'm making videos about it. It's going to be good. Another huge reason is for experience working with kids and fitness. A little bit of a story time now. I am a qualified PT, I want to be a PT, and that's why I started the YouTube channel, to get comfortable on camera, talking to people, you know, pushing out my story and trying to connect and get used to talking to camera because sometimes I was a bit awkward. I think I'm alright now. And as well, working with kids, I have always liked the idea of being a teacher in some sort or teaching people in general, whether that's drumming, fitness, or just I like to be helpful. So Teaching's always been an option for me, but I've never had the qualifications for it, as in looking after kids and actually teaching a certain subject. So I thought to myself, I can't get a job in England as a PT because I have no experience. I can't really get a job in a school because I've never really looked after kids. So why not get a job in America looking after kids and teaching fitness? That's what I thought, and it's working. It is working. I'm going. I am not going to be the fitness specialist, but that is because I don't have experience in fitness. So they thought putting me with fitness and kids in the same moment would not really benefit me or the kids. So obviously I'm not doing that, but that's fine because my camp will be able to assign me to fitness in the afternoons if that's something that fits both of us. Obviously I can't say I want to do this and I'll get it, because you don't get everything in life, but it did seem pretty good, the camp I'm going to, so I'm really excited for that. It's going to be really good for me. So what this means is when I'm at camp and I'm on the fitness section, I'll be helping to run activities, I'll be watching over the kids to make sure they're being safe and not doing anything silly. I can coach sports and overall just show what I can do in fitness, and it'll be really good for my CV and an understanding of what I've got to do if I'm teaching other people fitness if they've never done it before. So this has been a bit of a life hack for me, because basically the worst case scenario is I spend 3 months in America, I get paid, I make new friends, I don't do fitness after America. Well, the best case scenario is I do all 10 things and then become a PT. Win-win. Win-win. That's what you got to do in life. Figure out your best win-wins and go all in on them. Number 5 is a bit of a funny one. I wanted a change of environment. Life can get a bit repetitive sometimes, especially if you just go into work, go in the gym, coming home all the time. Really repetitive, and it's not good mentally for you. And I just needed something different. Like I mentioned before, I needed something big just to go, this is what I've done. I haven't wasted another year. I haven't wasted time, and just push myself forward to do something outside of England. I've always liked the idea of solo travel, but I've never done it. I've done gigs, I went to gigs alone and they're amazing, but travelling alone I've never done. So this is going to be something really good for me, and I'll be able to grow as a person. Get out of England for a bit. Get out of England. The weather's terrible, a lot of the people are terrible, and it's repetitive. I just want to have a boss summer, get a boss tan, have a good time, eat a lot of food, make new friends. I can't wait. Number 6 is because I want more stories, more life experiences, and just overall more excitement. If I'm being honest, this year's been amazing for me. I've done so much considering it's out of my comfort zone. I've went to church, I've played the drums in the church, got a new band, I'm going to be doing festivals, I'm going to do a gig in London. This year's already been big, and I'm so excited to see what happens in America, because this year's just blown up for me. It's been absolutely amazing, and I'm so proud of myself and happy, and I think America is the cherry on the icing on the cake. And this is because it's going to be 3 months of chaos, looking after kids. Well, first travelling and getting prepared, then looking after kids. Me days off, I'm going to be having fun, I'm going to be in restaurants, I'm going to be exploring, I'm going to be dancing, making new friends, meeting new people, talking to strangers, which I love doing. I just love talking to strangers, it's quite funny. It's going to be challenging, I'm going to be doing lots of activities, just random amazing memories this year. I can't wait for the gigs as well, the gigs with the band, the festivals with the band, releasing new songs with the band. Check it out, absolutely, our debut single will be out. Click the link down below. Gotta fit it in. But overall, I can just imagine these 3 months in America are going to give me so many experiences and stories I'm going to laugh about in the future, tell people in the future. These videos are going to keep coming, so if you do like them, stick around, especially if you're a lad. YouTube's filled with girls on YouTube, and that is amazing, but I really think from a lad's perspective it'll give people an eye-opener, because all of them are girls and that's amazing, they're amazing at it, but people want to relate to people like themselves. So if you are a lad, go into summer camp, stick around, it'll be a laugh. Connect, message me, I've got my Instagram in my bio, or put it in the comments, talk to me about anything and I'll try my best to help you. So yeah, those are the main reasons why I'm going summer camp. If any of these reasons you like the idea of, then I think that's a sign. Do it, go to summer camp, do something different, it'll be really fun, enjoy it. Like I mentioned before, I signed up with camp leaders. They've been absolutely amazing for me. They always message you, they phone you consistently just to make sure you're on track, if you're happy with how everything's going, and just overall they just help you through every single step, and it's been absolutely amazing. If you do end up signing up with Camp Leaders, my code here, I'll put it here or somewhere, use my code, you get £20 off, and I'll also get £20, so it'll just really help me out. I think I'm limited to 5 people, so if you are thinking about doing it, save yourself £20. And as well, I've got other videos explaining how you can save money with camp, so definitely check them out as well. So if you are going to summer camp this year, tell me in the comments what camp you're going to. I'm going to Iroquois Springs in New York, so if you are going to that camp, let me know, we'll start talking. Yeah, I'm so excited to meet new people. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.